Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. This time we're unboxing another package from Upshoe.edu. They have a lot of high quality sneakers available for a really attractive price. As you can see, they have the Travis Scott sneakers for just $169 US. They're running a sale where you can get some Jordan 11s for $175, Jordan 4s in the military black for $179, and many other options. So be sure to check them out. You have the link down in the description. Here is the contact information to Lily, which is just running the store, so highly recommend you guys contacting her. Also, there's a link down in the description. So let's begin unboxing. Let's get this thing opened real quick. Okay, so here's the box. Let's open this thing up real quick and let's see what's inside. Wow. And here's our box, 1985 Air Jordan. Let's take a look at this. So here they are, our beautiful new shoes. And this is the Jordan 1 Low OG SP Women's Air. Here we've got a size European 42, 27 centimeters. And yeah, let's take a look at them. Let's see how they look like. So, here's the contact information to Upshoe.edu, and when purchasing you can use the coupon code regular for $15 off your order, so that's really nice. And here they are, our Jordan Low OG version in the olive color. This is how they look like. So nice, so beautiful. And the next pair. We also have some additional paper right over here. And yeah, I love how this whole thing looks like. So when it comes to the shoes, we've got a bunch of different shoelaces. We've got a green one, the red one, and also the black one. And here, as a regular one, we also have the white laces, so that's nice. And on the other pair, we also have the white laces. Inside, you've got all the markings that the Travis Scott is known for, such as the Cactus Jack and 23 inside of there. So yeah, this is how it all looks like. They look great. So let's take a look at the quality of the shoe. So now I'm holding the left pair, and this is how the shoe looks like when it comes from the side, from the right side. We have the swoosh logo, inverted swoosh logo, just like on the regular Travis Scott Jordans. This black material here is some sort of a suede. As you can see, it does not move right and forth, but it is just a black suede looking material. Overall here we have a leather. Along this part we have the leather. Looks pretty good. It goes across the whole shoes, all around the shoes, and on the inner part is how the shoe looks like. We also have the continuation of this pattern going across here. Our swoosh logo is now in a regular position, just like on the every single other different Jordan 1 model. And on the back we have this Air Jordan logo and also the leather, so that's quite nice. As of the tongue, this is how it all looks like. You've got all the information written here, so that's cool. The Nike Air logo and a Cactus Jack. This is how it looks like inside. You've got all the information, the size, the code number, the styling code, the QR code, which actually works. You can go to the website straight away with this code. And yes, so yeah, this is how it all looks like. Now on the back we also have this sole, which is pretty much the same sole that you see on every single other version of Jordans. So yeah, this is how it all looks like. The pattern looks great, it's just the way that it should be, and we see no defects whatsoever here. Just take a look at the stars going across here. They just look magnificent, no problems about that. So that's it as for the right shoe. Now let's also see how the left shoe looks like. So same thing as on the right shoe. You've got the same pattern here and the inner part, the swoosh logo going over here, the suede material, and we actually have the cactus signature right over here, so that's nice. The leather going over here. For the tongue, let's see if the tongue does pop out quite easily. Yeah, it just bounces back quite easily. And now here is our inverted swoosh. And on the back we also have this smiling face, so that's cute. And yeah, same thing. Take a look at the shoe. It looks so nice. The materials. And also here's the styling code, same thing on left pair. So now let's try them out and let's see how they fit. Okay, so this is how it all looks like, the Travis Scott in the OG olive color. As you can see, they look magnificent, and yeah, they're just a pretty good value as for just 169 US dollars. The materials are great, everything looks to be fine, and I highly recommend you guys getting them. Don't forget to check out the Upshoe.ru and Upshoe Lily on the Instagram. Here you also have the phone number and WhatsApp to call them, so yeah, contact them for the shoes. See you in the next video. Bye.